We're gonna test the SimpliSafe
alarm in the Colorado room is instantaneous.
security system. Okay, can you grab me the fob real quick? Or is it near you?
No, it's in the bathroom, bedroom.
Okay.
Oh, crap.
What?
Dogs are in there.
I can back them up.
It's in that hole by my bed.
So there's the hub. There's our key. They didn't even try to escape.
Good.
Yeah, they didn't even try.
They're doing a lot better.
Yeah.
They still get excited when you come over.
They're in their kennel.
Oh,
Oh,
well, I guess that helps.
But that does make them do better.
Alright, so the security system is setting.
I just got very easy enough to
Hey, wake up. Away.
SimpliSafe on, away.
Alright.
You walk in the Colorado room, it's gonna scream.
Alright. Here I go. I'm going to set my iPad right here at the top of the stairs. Because down there, right down there, is the external siren, and that thing is screaming. So I'm going to sit you right there, and I'm going to go walk out into the Colorado room where there's a moat grab.
Wait, I thought you had my kitchen.
Well, you set the alarm off. I guess that's a test of the garage door.
That's true.
All right, I have my,
There you go. Sorry, I forgot.
I have my finger on this button. As soon as that thing starts. So intimidating.
I think we ought to make that one shorter too, Steve. Instead of 60 seconds, let's alarm off. Let's make that a 30-second or something.
That's a 30 seconds.
Huh?
That's 30 seconds.
Oh, that was 30 seconds?
Maybe 10 seconds?
Can you do that?
Yeah, I'm going to set the alarm to home now.
SimpliSafe on. Home.
And I'm going to pull this back door open.
Alarm off.
That's an instant. All right, home again.
SimpliSafe on. Home.
Why are you not setting?
Said
SimpliSafe
SimpliSafe on
on.
home.
Home.
Oh, it did.
You didn't hear it?
No.
Grandpa heard something you didn't hear? Wow, that's pretty amazing.
Alarm off.
That isn't as loud as I remember it being, is it?
There's an open door. How come it's not saying
Weird.
open door? Did that?
Maybe this is dead. Let's test it. All right, we're doing the front door.
SimpliSafe on. Home. Warning. Entry sensor open.
Now,
An
Stevie,
entry
you
sensor's
do not
open.
want red with yours?
No. Okay, there we
It's
go.
beeping.
So it's beeping. I'm assuming the entry sensor opened.
The back door?
Back door? I don't know, but
Alarm
is
off.
that what you want the front door to, or the garage door to be, that delay? Because that's quicker. I think
Yes.
that's 15.
We need to make sure the front door is quicker and so is the garage.
Okay.
Because I want to have time to grab my gun before they get to me.
Yeah. All right, I'm going downstairs with the downstairs motion.
Exit now. Warning.
All right.
Some of your entry sensors are open.
Oh, now it's telling us some of our entry
You
sensors.
going downstairs?
Yes. 'Cause that,
All right.
I'm just worried because that thing is
Hang on,
loud
hang
as
on to
heck
the
down
banister.
there.
Hang on.
I'm gonna wait till it sets to away. Grandpa, eventually you guys should get monitoring for your system.
Forget what?
Full monitoring.
You're so far away from the police that Grandpa will have to take care of them before the police get here.
Not if you guys are away.
That's true.
At least you would be warned someone was in your house.
What could we do about it?
I don't know. Yell at them through the Simply cam that's up there.
Get out of my house.
Yeah. I had to do that me and Grandma had to do that the other day. Someone was like all around trying to open the
SimpliSafe
Bronco.
on. Away.
Kid.
Yeah. We were trying to tell them to get the heck away and they wouldn't, so we set the siren on the camera off and they scampered. Alright, here I go. Hello. Wait a second, hold on. Okay. Oh, I hate this thing.
What?
I said, oh, I hate this. It is so loud, this siren.
Hey, Stevie, what did you do yesterday with Grandma Lynn? Oh, you're downstairs? Okay.
Well, would you know, nothing's going off. There's no motion sensor down there.
Oh, you know what?
What?
We probably set that motion sensor in the wrong spot.
Oh.
Because we have been remodeling everything down
So
there.
we'll have to wait till we're all done. We're almost done remodeling.
Okay.
We are reorganizing. We took a whole bunch of books off the shelves.
Okay.
We're gonna give them away.
I'm gonna just get this, what's it called out here going.
Alarm off.
Yep, that works.
That motion
works.
sensor is quick.
Yeah, it is. Okay, key fob panic button.
Alarm off. Alarm off.
And keypad panic button. Did you know your keypad had a panic button?
I didn't know that.
Here, let me bring it so I can show you. Do you see this on the top? Press and hold down on that.
Well, I'll be.
Alarm off. Alarm off.
I didn't know that, Stevie. You are so smart. I'm gonna reset everything.
Well, is there any, I feel like we're missing something. Ah, wait.
SimpliSafe on.
Oh no, that door has a board on it, doesn't it?
What door?
The basement.
Oh, yeah, you can't open that one.
Okay. Trying to think. Ah, man cave door.
Alarm
I can't
off.
open, it's locked also.
Oh.
Well, there's some you can just do.
But
We're
you're
hoping
doing
to
good.
get- Stevie, we're hoping to get it all organized better.
Oh, where's that
before
panic
all
button?
the company comes.
The panic button that's in your bedroom. Here, I'm gonna put this back up.
Oh, yeah, forgot about that.
Is that in your bowl too?
Should be in that bowl.
Okay.
You may have to feel around in it,
Yeah.
because I haven't used it in a while.
Have you ever used it?
Just a test.
Yeah.
Be careful downstairs. There's a lot of things in the way.
I'm
He's
not
going
downstairs.
Oh, okay.
He's in the bedroom.
All right. Okay.
Aha.
Sounds like he found it.
Found it. I'm about to panic in 3, 2, 1. Oh, shoot!
Alarm off.
I forgot I was right next to that base
Yeah, that's
station.
loud there, isn't it?
Woo! You know what we should do, Grandpa?
Huh?
You know what we should do?
What?
Do you see that this panic button has adhesive on the back of it? See
Yes.
that?
Yeah.
We should mount that right next to your bed so that way if you ever need to at night, you don't have to
Stevie?
dig in that hole.
Stevie, do you want a lot of sauerkraut or just a little bit?
0.
Oh, okay then.
Yeah,
Okay.
we could do that. I'm just trying to think where could we put it?
Maybe right next to your bedroom door?
Yeah, that'd probably work.
Like above your light switch or something?
Yeah, you wanna do that?
Here.
I'll take the tape off, so you can go in there, mount it right next to the light switch.
Okay. I'll have you tell me how it looks in a little bit.
Okay,
I'm surprised that this button isn't red.
yeah,
Bob, the dogs are doing better, huh?
yeah,
I think they're doing a lot better. I'm just determined that they are going to get along, because I want to be able to leave them and see.
All right, this is mounted up. And
did you test it?
oh no.
I got the fob.
Okay. All right. I'm about to press the panic button. 3, 2, 1.
Alarm off.
Okay. Think we're good.
I think that's a good spot to put it, Stevie.
I do too. Do you want to go look and see if it's crooked or something that you need to fix?